De imediato nós está aqui na Forestura de Andy Productions and Promotions for de Corsol. Nós está passa de imediatamente para nos promer informação. Nós está conversar com o Sr. Olivier Arindel, Chairman de Ava Airways, tocante a carta que ha um impacto ave na Corsol. Carta que o awardo manda supostamente for de Insel Air para Minister Susie Romer e ela amplia aqui.
I really don't know. I can't tell you if there is some truth to it, or if there is no truth to it, but it doesn't sound too reputable on the behalf of Insulair on a real deal. It's a sad day in the world of aviation in Curaçao. But if we go back in history, this was the same type of behavior between Incel and DAE. Both of them fighting against each other literally like that. Email sending out here, email sending out there. And Ava Airways is just focusing on trying to get their economic permit, trying to comply with all the different rules, trying to do everything that the government want for us to get it. And we believe that we have done so, and we're going to continue trying our best to meet the requirements of the minister.